Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi after update. If you have updated your iPhone software and you're facing the issue that your iPhone is not updating to Wi-Fi after updating software, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app and here go to general, go to software update and just try to update your software using your cellular data. So because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug with your previous software update, so might be fixed with the latest software updates. We just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you find just try to update your app, so after updating your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issues, just go to settings, go to screen time section, go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling restrictions, just go back and here go to general section, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset and select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step so you will not get the issue again. Or after resetting your network setting, you're still facing the same issue, so there's the only way. Just try to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, look for Wi-Fi here, and just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get actual help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.